and thank you very much for clicking onto this video. So it is an IKEA haul. Just love watching IKEA videos and watching what everybody buys. I was really missing our IKEA during lockdown and it opened a couple of weeks ago. I've made 2 trips and I've just gathered up little bits and pieces that I bought there. Both times I was traveling with different people, and so I didn't buy anything bulky because I was conscious of having enough room in the car. So I probably need to go back again, but I thought I would show you what I got just in case you're interested in watching IKEA hauls. So right, the first thing, and it's not organized in any way whatsoever. So the first thing I got from Bargain Corner, and Bargain Corner is the area before you go to the checkouts that has all this sort of ex-display, discontinued, return stuff. They've actually changed the name of it. I'm not sure what it's called now, I can't remember. I think in America it's called As Is because you buy the stuff as it's sold with all the faults and things like that, but most of the items are really heavily discounted. So this is what I picked up, and I just thought it was just multifunctional. I could use it for different things. I mean, not just like a photograph, you can put sort of artwork, dried flowers, you name it. It is plastic, but I think it still has a little plastic film on because it looks a bit grubby. So I think it still has the plastic film on. And it was reduced, that's the name, and it was reduced to £1.50. But I love the chain on the back. Actually, the chain is a lobster claw on both ends, and the reason for that being is that you can put the chain further down if you wanted to hang it a slightly different way. I've never seen that before in any frames, so I thought that was really interesting. And next up are some plates. I think in my last IKEA haul I got some dinner plates and they were in this colour. Excuse the grubbiness, but they've been sitting here for ages. I bought a few, the rest are in the kitchen cupboard. But at the time I didn't buy any side plates because I have side plates and I don't like buying things unnecessarily. And I don't mind mixing up different designs. But those side plates are really old and I thought I'd just treat myself with matching ones. So I've got a few to match the dinner plates, but I also picked up the pink because I thought they were really pretty and my daughter loves pink stuff. So that, I don't think the name is on them. No, the name unfortunately is not on them, but I'll try and remember and put the name and the price down. They were only a few pounds, they weren't. IKEA's a bit weird. IKEA does, sometimes they do things to suit every budget. They do really expensive items and they do middle of the range, and then they do really cheap stuff. So there's something to suit everybody. Speaking of cheap stuff, I picked up scissors because their scissors are really good, and the different sizes means I can just use them for different things. The ones I have at the minute are a little bit blunt. I tried to sharpen them myself, but I gave up and I just bought another. They were only, I think, 99p or something like that. I am disappointed they don't have the knives. They had knives in this range and they discontinued them. They are the best knives ever. I still have them and I do try and sharpen them myself. Yeah, so happy with those. What's up next? Something else from Bargain Corner. I love Bargain Corner. And it's a little tortoise, and I think I actually have him in my last haul as well, but because he was in Bargain Corner he was reduced. Sorry, he was 79p, that's what I remember. Yeah, so I thought I would do something with him, and he has a little hidden storage compartment. So he was a bargain. Next up are some candles. Now I have one, I don't know where the other one went to. The other one was the same in this range, but it just had a different scent. It was yellow and another colour. They smell amazing. This smells like a fizzy peach or something like that. And as you see, I've already started burning because this stuff has been lying around for over a week for me to do this video. But I'm disappointed. Usually I love IKEA candles, and it's not the scent I'm disappointed with. I think it's just, it doesn't linger. I don't smell it in the next room, or I don't smell it when I come in the door after having burned it for a while. Yeah, so yeah, not very strong. A little bit disappointed with that one. Alright, what's next? Another bargain corner item. This is a cushion cover. It's for those sort of long rectangle cushions. I do have a few, and I have one in my bedroom, and I don't like the feel of it. So when I seen this, I picked it up. Green doesn't exactly match my bedroom, but to replace it with the one that's on, I don't mind, because it was just melting my head. And this embarking corner was, it was £1, but I don't think that was the original price, reduced to 79p. Yeah, 79p. That's amazing. That isn't, is that the name of it? Sanella. And I love the green. I actually love the green colour, even though it doesn't match my bedroom. But I'm going to make it work. So yeah, so that's another good bargain from Bargain Corner. What's up next? Okay, right, okay. I'm going to lift this up. And I haven't built it up yet. But it is a little trolley. And I actually think I had another trolley in my last IKEA haul. But this one, this is really, really good. This is for my bathroom. They have them in different colours. They also have them in different sizes. And this one is the smaller size. I think $29.99. It's 3-tiered. It's on casters. Really, really handy. Yeah, well, that's that. And to go with it, I bought this little top. So it just fits on the top of the trolley. And it's multifunctional, because if you had that in the kitchen, you could use it as a chopping board. But I just like it to, it'll keep smaller stuff on the top of the trolley clean if I just put that over the top of it. So yeah, and I think that was around about £6 so for that there. Next up is a little tray. I love blue and white, and my kitchen's going to be blue and white. I'm in the process of doing it up now, and yeah, I thought this was really pretty. I love the shape. It's different than any of the trays I've had before, and I just ordered a tray in FabFitFun as well. I haven't got it yet, so it's going to be slightly smaller, so I like the fact this is one slightly bigger. That's the details on the back. I can't remember the price. I think it's probably around about £3, something like that. What's up next? It's a lampshade. So this is the smaller size. This is 24 centimeters. It wasn't from Bargain Corner, but it was reduced on their main shop floor for £4. I thought it was amazing, because I already have versions of this lampshade, bigger versions for my ceiling lights. So I have the pink one in my daughter's room. So it's pink and it has a copper interior, and it has a cutout design. So when the light shines through, it looks really, really pretty. It's plain, but there's something special about the copper shining through. I love it. And I have two more in my first floor landing. I have the white version with the copper, so you do get them in different colours. And I'll have to put some pictures there. But the reason I think this was reduced is because the newer versions of this lamp have a different cutout design. And I think that's the only reason they are being discontinued. So that was amazing. And next up is some storage. I bought a few of these. I already own one of them. I bought one to fit inside underneath my kitchen cupboard, the sink cupboard, and it fits perfectly. So I bought a few for different cupboards. I wasn't sure about the size, but they're brilliant. I just need to make my cupboards more organized. These are good because they're quite long, and yeah, just to make things easier for me to grab stuff. Especially there's one cupboard in particular, and it has sort of like hardware in it. So like old photo frames that I need to do up, um, sellotapes, it just different things. So by having it all inside containers, it means just easier to get at stuff rather than pulling 30 items out just to get one item that you need. So yeah, I'm going to try to be more organized. These were actually in the kitchen section of IKEA, not downstairs for the rest of the containers. So, and I like those because they're pretty sturdy as well. What's up next? Okay, more barking corner stuff. And this is just so pretty. Um, it's a lot, and it's real glass, and there's a little switch down there, and it has that sort of micro lights in, and that's what makes it light up. Unfortunately, it was working when I got it. I think it just the battery has died, so that's easily replaced. And it was £4 originally, down to £2. So really loving that. And what is up next? Pegs. Absolutely love the pegs from IKEA. They're pretty sturdy. They don't snap in half. I don't think ever one has broken me yet, but they disappear. I don't know where they go to, so I got more. I don't necessarily like the container. I actually bought a different container. That's how much I don't like it. It has the idea is there's a metal thing. I don't know if you can see it yet. That's it there, and it sticks in the middle so that you can hook when it hooks on your line. You can put the pegs on or take them off, but it, to be honest, it's not sturdy, and it used to fly off the line. So yeah, I don't like the container, but it was only a couple of pounds, and it was worth it to get the pegs because the pegs are really, really good. So that's it. Oh wait, no, there's more stuff. And I bought a couple of these, and these are glass again, glass containers. They're sort of like oversized trinket boxes. I'm not sure what I'm going to use them for. I got a Cricut machine. I don't know whether to put the video here. I did a video of me unboxing it. I might put it up on this channel, I'm not sure. But I can do things maybe with a Cricut, personalize it, and make up a little gift thing to put inside. I'm not sure. But for these were only 50p, and they weren't even in bottom corner, they were on their main floor. So for 50p I grabbed a couple, but I'm just not sure what I'm going to use them for yet. So yeah, I think there might be one more item. Hold on, that check. Back again. No, that was the last item. So yeah, I will probably be back again to get more stuff, more bulkier furniture stuff that I need. But that is it. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. But on a side note, if you've watched me because you love FabFitFun, I have not received my FabFitFun box yet. So I was just wondering if anybody haven't received theirs. I think one person contacted me that lives in Northern Ireland. They haven't received theirs either, but just interested in to see how many people have not received theirs. I did get an email just before this video to say that they were aware of a delay and they were trying really hard to get it shipped. So I think this has been the longest. Usually mine are pretty quick. In fact, some of my boxes have even arrived before lots of people in America have got theirs, which is strange. So I think it maybe just depends on what you definitely choose for your box or your add-ons. But yeah, but oh well. I just have to wait and see when it comes. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Oh yeah, and if you like IKEA, please let me know down below. If you've been to IKEA recently, what has been your favorite buy, or do you like Bargain Corner? like I do. What has been your best buy in Bargain Corner? So thank you for so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely day or a lovely evening wherever you are. Thank you. Bye bye.